On day 3 at IMC, the theme is culture. Join us for Reliability and Asset Performance, RAP Talks. You'll discover the latest insights on leadership and predictive maintenance. And a powerful RAP Talk from Dubai Ports and Terminals. Learn how a single engineer started a culture shift that now spans 60 countries. In the morning sessions, CBRE shares how empowering techs to rewrite job plans streamlined the system. Saudi Aramco's lead reliability engineer reveals how they built strategies for high-energy assets at scale, and much more. In the afternoon, the CRL community takes the spotlight. Hear what earning the Certified Reliability Leader has meant for career growth, and stick around for the energizing Black Belt presentations. Now it's time for afternoon sessions. Mobile robotics take over dangerous inspections. Work order data gets a cleanup, the human operating system gets a reboot, and AI makes weekly scheduling actually enjoyable. At 4 p.m., reconnect and recharge with networking and dining in the IMC Expo. Then it's time to celebrate the world's best-run companies. Get inspired by remarkable success stories at the Awards Gala. After the awards, join the fun at Casino Night. Still looking for more fun? Stay for the after party and karaoke. This is day 3 at IMC. When culture clicks, everything moves faster. That's the speed of reliability.